Hi, guys. Welcome. So, we are going to do spring. We all know the spring is here, I think tomorrow. And if I tell you, this, my closet is too much. There is too many things in the closet, and it is time to do clean out, declutter, because it needs to go. And I'm sorry, sure a lot of you know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you have anything, you have to clean your closet, you have to put things out. It is the best time. Let's do it together, okay? So I'm gonna be starting maybe tonight around like 9:30, and it's gonna go forward from there. The reason why I'm gonna start 9:30, I'm gonna go live 9:30, is because of this little one. It's a time I think that she will. This is where she's at right now. I have to put her in the box with her little toys. And look, this here, all this we're gonna go through. We're gonna choose what stay and what goes. And if you guys see anything that you need and you want, feel free to have it. I can ship it to you wherever you are. And also we have this barrel, this pack of stuff. This is too much for one person. All these need to go. Okay, well, not everything. We're gonna go through it. I have my closet as well. I don't have a big closet space, but all these closet, we're gonna go through all these. I have some suitcase as well with some stuff. We're gonna go through all these, and we're gonna clean out, declutter, because it is good to declutter for the mental health. Okay, so tonight at around 9 o'clock, I will be live and will be declutter. I will be cleaning out. And if you can do the same thing, if you have the energy to do it, you do the same thing. It will be a motivation for all of us. Okay? So let us declutter our room. It's if I tell you it's a big mess, it is a big mess. Okay? So what are we gonna do tonight? We are going to declutter. We are going to take things out that we don't use much. I tell you, I have a lot. I mean, like, I was in the fashion industry, so it's kind of, it's like normal. When you're in the fashion industry, you get to put your hands on things. Okay, so it's kind of normal, but things need to go. They actually need to go so that it will be good for the mind, body, soul, and mind. Space is necessary. It's a necessity at this time. So I'm gonna see you later, okay? If I'm late, maybe I'm gonna be late because I have to put the baby. We want this one to be sleeping so that we can eat. Look, she's watching, so that we can able to do to do our decluttering in a good way. Or if she's not sleeping, I guess I would have no choice but to do it as well. But things need to actually do so I can, think good, great, and come here and perform. So what? Positive thinking. We will cook, we will dance, we will sing, we'll make poem. Whatever we do, it's always, it has a positive effect. It's always in a positive way. It doesn't even matter what, even though sometimes you will hear somebody come and they will, like, even if it's something that may sound negative, is you have to look on the positive side of what somebody is saying, because every single thing has something positive in it. Okay? It's what you choose to take from it. And always remember that. What is it when you hear somebody say something, even if it's something that you may like, but like, what is the positive thing that I can take from it? Choose the positive. Positivity doesn't mean that you're gonna always feel, have a positive outlook. It doesn't mean like that. It means that you choose to stay positive even in the bad time. You choose to stay positive even in the worst time, because we're human. We're gonna have thoughts, negative thoughts at times, but it's up to us to train our mind so we can put things in the way, peace and love always. And another thing is, always make sure that people prove themselves for you. People is being proven for themselves. Don't listen to somebody else's word and make the decision as for somebody, and make a decision based on what somebody said. Make sure that you have that mindset, that thinking, and that evidence for yourself, because the flesh is weak And sometimes, you know, people lose good people in your life just because somebody said that. You know, people will just hate you or hate somebody just because somebody said that. Don't go down that road. Stay positive, keep positive, smile. Doesn't matter in what time. Positivity is a choice, and it's your choice. So don't forget, tonight we are going to declutter. So if you have the energy and you want to clean your house, let's do it. You want to throw things out, put things out, get some bags, let's do it. You see here, I already get some boxes because some of them I will be donating them to to my community, because they do help a lot. Okay, they help people in the community who needs help, so I'll be donating them to the community. It's like giving back. So come on out, and let's do some cleaning. The spring is right here around the corner, so let's get ready, do some cleaning, and